Hey, welcome to a nice new short yoga sequence I made with rituals to warm you up before running. We think rituals need a lot of repetition, so you might as well take care of yourself and make sure you don't get injured. So this is working on the flexibility of the ankles and of the groins. I really hope you enjoy it. I hope it brings some fun in your workout. So let's start in a nice child pose. Knees hip width apart, toes together, big toes touching. Stretching out the arms, the back, the legs. And you can set your intention here, your intention for the running. One more breath here. And then use your inhale to walk yourself back, opening the feet to the side. You come to sit on both sitting bones with your feet next to you. Very good stretch for the legs. And from here we breathe in and make our spine long. And exhale, twist to the right side. Stay here for one breath. Look over your right shoulder. And as you inhale, come back towards the middle. Make your spine long, reach out and exhale to the left. One more breath here. Look over your left shoulder. Breathe in, come back towards the center, reach up. And exhale, lower down, push your hands into the floor and come up into a downward dog. And really stretch your hamstrings here. You can bend your knees, walk them from side to side. And then look in between your hands, step or jump in between those hands and reach up, breathe in. Reach up towards the ceiling, make yourself long. And from here, bend your right knee and come into a nice mountain pose. One breath here, and as you exhale, step your right foot backward, reaching out forward for a nice arrow lunge. And on your next inhale, breathe in a crest lunge, coming up. Then breathe in and stretch yourself out to the left side. So you create this nice stretch in the right. Breathe in, come back to center. And as you breathe out, step all the way back into that mountain pose. And from here, bring the outside of your right foot onto the upper leg. Bring your hands in front of you. Make yourself long as you breathe in. Exhale. Drop down with a round spine. And what you want to do here is you want to bring the crown of your head more towards the ground. So you have this nice intense stretch in your left leg here and in the right thigh. Stay here for one more breath. And then use your inhale to come back up again. So you can bend your left knee, coming all the way up to standing. And you can release the right leg. And from here, we're going to the left side. So bring the weight on your right leg. Reach up towards the ceiling. Bend the left knee. And exhale, step it back into an arrow lunge. Reaching forward. Breathe in, reach up. Exhale, dive deeper into the posture. Breathe in, stretch out towards the right. Feel that side stretch in your left side. And breathe in, come back towards the middle. And step into that mountain pose. Bringing the outside of your left foot on the upper right leg. Breathe in, make yourself long. Exhale, round down. And try to bring that forehead to the ground. One more breath here. One more breath here. Inhale, come back up. Bend your right knee. Come all the way up to standing and release your leg next to you. So you're all prepared to run now. You're actually standing, so I would say go ahead and enjoy the running. Namaste.